Studio microphone. Hello friends. Welcome to Techunbox Pro. Today, we have the Nokia Xeno Pro Max 5G, a smartphone that promises flagship performance, premium design, and next-level features. Let's dive into this device and see why it's creating so much excitement in the tech world. Starting with the design, the Nokia Xeno Pro Max 5G is sleek, stylish, and feels premium in hand. Its 6.9-inch AMOLED display offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and crystal-clear visuals. The 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling, gaming, and streaming buttery smooth. Whether you're watching movies or playing high-end games, the display ensures an immersive experience. Moving to the camera, this phone comes with a 108-megapixels triple-lens rear setup. It captures detailed photos even in low-light conditions. Night mode, AI enhancements, and portrait features elevate photography to professional levels. The 32-megapixels front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls, giving sharp and clear results every time. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the latest octa-core processor and up to 12 GB RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and lag-free performance. With storage options up to 512 GB, you'll never run out of space for apps, photos, or videos. The phone runs on Android 14.